Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. In other stories, the bail application for Bellarmine Chatunga Mugabe and co-accused Tobias Mugabe Matonodze has been postponed to Thursday. This is due to outstanding documents that the defense requires for the state. Chatunga and Tobias were arrested for attempted murder after a gardener was shot at their Hyde Park, Johannesburg home on the 19th of February 2026. They were charged with firearm possession and defeating justice. Having their first court appearance on the 23rd of February at Alexandra Magistrate, they were remanded to March 3, which is today, for bail. However, their bail application has been postponed to Thursday, the 5th of February 2026. To always be updated on latest news, do subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel.